Hey true believers, welcome to our Tuesday Tech Talk. So we've got this Nikon Z-mount 400mm f4.5 lens that has been in the store for a while, and it's really cool and all, but we're not here to talk about this. We're here to talk about something bigger and better. We're here to talk about this guy, the Nikon 800mm f6.3 lens. This is the real Tuesday Tech Talk. We're going to talk about this Nikon 800mm Z lens, this beast. So I'm going to open her up. All right, Nikon gives you this great bag, which has a hard bottom and several clips, some nice zipper pulls as well. It's pretty secure. It looks like you can probably put a tripod on here. It looks like that's pretty cool. That's pretty interesting. So let me get rid of this box. Let's take a look inside the bag of this beast within here. This bag. So another cool thing I found over here, I've never seen this on a bag. It's got a place for your name and everything. So this is like luggage, this bag. That's how good it is. It's pretty much luggage. Let's open this guy up. Whoa. This is nuts. Oh, that's the lens cap. Okay, I've got everything open, and look at all the stuff this comes with. I got the bag here. I've got the lens cap here. It's like a fabric lens cap because there's no lens cap that'll fit on this guy. I've got the white gloves on too, so we gave this thing the white glove treatment. The strap for the bag, the lens hood, which is enormous, and of course 800mm 6.3 Nikon lens. So some stuff about this guy. So it retails for about $6,500 right now. There was a Nikon 800mm 5.6 which was out for the F mount a while ago, and that one was how much? That one was $16,000, and this one is about $6,500. So you're talking about $10,000 for the same lens. So just that one is 5.6, one is 6.3. But does it really matter? You're shooting outside. You've got great light. It might matter a little bit. And the way ISOs are now, you can compensate for that. So a few things about this guy. Okay, so this guy weighs 5.2 pounds, and I think the old lens weighed double that. So it's quite the weight reduction for the newer lens. It's about 3 inches shorter than the old 800, so I'm guessing that was even bigger than this. I wish we had one to compare though. That'd be really nice to have. Of course, it's lighter weight, as I said before. Look at the front of this guy. It's enormous. It's enormous. Of course, it's got the tripod monopod collar as well. So if you're not going to be holding your camera sideways with this thing. You're going to have some sort of gimbal, some sort of tripod. You're going to have some support for this guy because this guy's going to need some support. It takes drop-in filters because, of course, there is no threads on this. So if you have 46mm drop-in filters, it does take those. So you can, I think those go in right here. Looks like it's got strap links, so you can put a strap on the lens as well, which is cool. Yes, because with cameras like this may weigh more than your camera body, depending what camera body you have. So you want to support this rather than supporting the body of the camera, and it gets the weight in the middle. So you have your camera here. Let me grab this Z9, which is probably a bad example because the Z9 is so heavy anyway. But you got like this. You're supporting weight in the middle rather than weight on the either end of the rig that you have here. So this is quite the monster. Let's put it on the Z9 and see how it looks. That's absurd. Joe, I'm taking a picture. This is absurd. Just got the high speed going on here. You heard that? This is nuts. So let me grab the is that a 400 over here? Let me grab the 400 and show you the size difference. So this is the 400 as compared to the 800. Can you get all that? That is crazy. How different that is. I mean, you're getting double the focal length, so that's also pretty cool. So who is this lens for? Like $6,500, super long one. It's a prime, obviously, because it's only 100 millimeters. Great for birders, great for those shooting sports professionally, and if you can afford it, if you're an amateur, you can do that too. We have a guy down here, Joe, who professionally shoots sports and stuff, and this would be perfect for him. I don't know if he wants to invest that much into it, or maybe he does because he's Joe and he's been doing it a while. So great for sports, great for wildlife, great for birding, especially with this kind of range, because there's nothing that's in this kind of range that zooms even. I think the longest zoom there's a 180 to 600 zoom yeah. This is clearly, but primes usually, when you have a prime, you're talking about that much of a sharper lens with a prime. It's gonna cost you, but this is what you want if birding, sports, wildlife is what you do. So we've got these in the store. Well, I have one in the store, but we can get more quickly. Being a small camera store, we got some pull with our small community of people who come in, so definitely stop in, give us a call if you're interested, and we will hopefully get you into one of these.